How to add socials login to WordPress, quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can add your socials login to your WordPress website. So you can be building any kind of website, whether it's a blog or a e-commerce website. You want the ease of access for your website, and that is something that is very important for a lot of consumers as well as a lot of developers that are building websites. And it is very essential that you are able to add socials login. So by socials login, I mean that when people are trying to register on your website or create an account on your website, they want to be able to do it directly with their Google account or their Facebook account, their Twitter account, Apple account, so on and so forth. So most to all websites currently offer, Google account login simply because people like to use the automated autofills that they get, all of the pre-existing suggestions, and they just like to simplify all their processes. And instead of having to log in over and over onto multiple websites, people prefer using Google to simply log in via a simple click. And you can easily create your own socials login system for any kind of specific social media platform or all of the basic platforms using a simple plugin on WordPress. So to get started, all you have to do is you're just going to go into your WordPress dashboard, and it is a free plugin. You don't have to pay for anything. You're just going to scroll down on the left side of your screen, and you will see your plugins over here. So in your plugin section, simply click on Add New. Once you have clicked on Add New, you're just going to go into Search Plugins on the top right, and you will search for Socials Login. So just search for Social Login, and you have the second plugin over here, which is provided by Team Heater. And this is an amazing plugin which enables social share, social login, and social comments with their amazing plugin. You can also do Facebook, you can do, multiple different websites. They also have other specific plugins. If you only want to add Google, then you can use if you want to only add Facebook, you can add their Facebook only plugin as well. But we're going to be using this one, and all you have to do is simply click on Install Now, and it will take a couple of seconds to be installed. Once it has been installed, you're just going to go into your plugin section on the left side of your screen. Now that you are in your plugin section, you will be able to see Super Socializer. So you're just going to click on Activate over here. And once you click on Activate, you can begin configuring the plugin. So once you have activated the plugin, you're just going to click on Settings of that specific plugin. And now you can see if you want to include the JavaScript in the website footer, then you will be able to see on the right side of your screen, you will have your donate section, you have your support form, plugin demos as well, and that is it. So from here, you're just going to begin by going into your social login options. So you can see on the left side of your screen, you have your Super Socializer. Then you're going to click on Social Login. Now we're going to click on Enable Social Login. So you're just going to click on Enable Social Login. So this will turn on the social login. And then below that, you have your configuration. So you can choose to customize social logos as well, or they will just use the basic versions, the basic, login icons. And I think they look pretty good. Now, once you have that done, you can choose whether you want users to be able to register using their social information. So we want that. So we're just not going to leave the first one empty. Then below that, we can disable social login for admin accounts. So I'm going to enable that. Now below that, you're going to enter the social networks that you want to support. So maybe I only want social logins from Facebook, Google, and yeah, those are the only two platforms that I want social logins for. So I will just do that over here. And once you have done that, you can just simply scroll down over here, click on Save Changes. And you're just going to, from here, you're just going to enter your Facebook app ID and app secret. You can get this information on your Facebook page or on your specific Facebook platform. And then if you go on ahead and take a look at the plugin demo on the right side of your screen, this will give you a short demo of what the plugin is going to look like once it is fully functional. Now, keep in mind if your website is in developer mode or if it's currently just being, created or it's in maintenance mode, then the plugins won't work. So that is something to keep in mind whenever you are using this kind of plugin to set up your social registrations. So now once you have, previewed or demoed this, you can see that it asks for your, APIs. You can sometimes call it API key or whatever it might be called for a different social media platform. Sometimes called channel ID, app secret, secure key. Now for that, you can just go into Facebook over here, go to Facebook developers, just search for that, and this will open up Meta developers. Now you're just going to click on get started over here. You're going to continue with the Facebook account of your choice, and you can go on ahead and enter and verify your account. Then after your account, you will be contacted and you will just have to enter some basic information. Now, because Facebook verification is taking a little long of a time, I'm just going to show you guys Google verification. So for that, if you want to enable Google social logins, you will simply go onto Google APIs. So because Facebook login is taking a little too long of a time, we're just going to go to the Google API instead. So to enable Google logins, you just simply go into Google APIs and services. And what you will do once you have done that, you will click on activate over here. And you're just going to, confirm all your information. Then you're going to click on this on the left side over here. It is O authorization consent screen. So you're just going to copy this over here. And once you actually go into this, you're going to click on external. Then once you click on external, you're simply going to click on create over here. Then you are just going to enter the application name and name the app that is asking for your consent. And then you're going to add your user support email, and then you can add any kind of logo if you want. Then you're just going to enter the information. So you're just going to enter the developer information over here. So over here you have your add domain. And for that, what you're going to do is you're just going to copy your domain name from your website over here, and you're going to click on paste. And we're just going to remove the HTTPS. Now, once you have done that, once you filled out all of the basic information, you're simply going to click on save and continue and make sure to enter your developer contact information. Then you're going to click on save and continue over here. And after that, they will lead you to the scopes screen. So in your scope screen, you will have your basic credentials and test users that you can check. So you can add or remove certain scopes. I'm going to continue over here, and you can add some trial users. Now, once you've entered all this information, your Google login will be completed. And now we can simply go into our super socializer, and we will actually get a API key for this specific authentication. Now you can see over here, we have this web application. And once you have your client created, you will get your client ID, and you will copy the client ID and the client secret and paste these in your Google ID section. So that is simply how you do it. You can find all of this information specifically with the super socializer. So if you want any kind of login information for how to verify the social login, you're just going to click on the specific type of, verification that you want. So let's say instead of these two basic platforms, you want to enable Reddit client IDs because your website might be related to Reddit, or, it might be better for you. So you can just click on the question mark. And once you do that, you can open up their link, and they will tell you exactly the specific process that you will have to do for the different app that you are using, because you're going to actually be using a different application, and not everyone is going to be doing Google, not everyone is going to be doing, this specific application. So depending on the type of application that you are going to be integrating or social media platform that you will be integrating, you will want to use their specific guide on how to integrate with those specific apps. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.